It's a certified 2016 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. The body grabs you, the interior draws you in, and the engine keeps you coming back. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: external memory control, dual zone climate control, wireless phone connectivity, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, DVD audio, power tilting steering column, four-wheel drive, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and power heated mirrors. This from Edmunds.com. Mercedes-Benz E-Class continues to epitomize the modern mid-sized luxury car with its sophisticated technology, elegant furnishings, and wide selection of engines and features. Get the best, get Mercedes-Benz. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,